Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this key fob. This is out of a Mito. You're going to need one of the 2032 batteries. You can get these off Amazon. I've put a link below in the description that will take it straight there. You're also going to need a flat tip screwdriver. This is a 2.5 millimeter. So on these fobs, there's a locking mechanism right here. You want to take your screwdriver and move. Yours should be on lock. Move that to unlock and go ahead and use your screwdriver to slide that tray out. That tray comes out, and you can just pull the battery out here. Take the old battery out. The new battery goes in positive side facing away from you, just like that. Positive side on this end. And you want to make sure you seat this in here correctly. If you don't, you will not be able to lock it. Alright, so that's in there. And go ahead and move that from unlock to lock, and you're all set. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.